Eagle, a strong bird that flies high in the sky. Say it with me. Eagle. Hawk, a powerful bird known for its sharp eyesight and fast flight. Let's say it together. Hawk. Falcon, a fast-flying bird known for its incredible speed and sharp hunting skills. Say it with me. Falcon. Owl, a bird that stays awake at night and has big, round eyes. Repeat. Owl. Vulture, a large bird known for its bald head and strong wings. Say it with me. Vulture. Sparrow, this is a small brown bird that chirps sweetly. Say it with me. Sparrow. Robin, a small bird with a red chest that sings sweet songs. Repeat. Robin. Crow, this bird is black and makes a loud cawing sound. Repeat after me. Crow. Raven, a large black bird known for its intelligence. Repeat. Raven. Pigeon, you see this bird flying around in the city and parks. Let's say it together. Pigeon. Dove, a gentle bird known for its soft cooing sound. Let's say it together. Dove. Parrot, a green bird that can mimic your voice. Isn't that cool? Say parrot. Macaw, a colorful and large parrot known for its vibrant feathers. Say macaw. Cockatoo, a playful parrot with a distinctive crest on its head. Say cockatoo. Toucan, a colorful bird with a large bright beak. Say toucan. Peacock, a large beautiful bird famous for its vibrant fan-like tail feathers that it displays during courtship. Flamingo, a tall pink bird that stands on one leg and is often seen in wetlands or near water. Swan, a graceful, elegant bird with a long neck and is often found swimming on lakes. Duck, a small waterfowl with webbed feet, commonly found in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Goose, a large bird known for its honking sound, often seen near lakes or rivers. Penguin. The penguin is a flightless bird known for its waddling walk and ability to swim. Ostrich, the world's largest bird, known for its long legs and inability to fly, but it can run very fast. Woodpecker, a bird known for tapping its beak on tree trunks, searching for insects, and creating nests.